Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit emotional as I'm missing my family back in India. So few days back my mom has sent me this parcel which my grandma used to send me before and now she's no more. Do remember my dad and my grandma in your duas. So my mom has sent me idli and beef sukka, which is my favorite. Who does not crave for mom's food? And I was craving for long. I was not about to shoot this video but thought, why not? Why not something like this? This video is to say her that I miss her so much and thanks a lot for everything you have given me. If at all we have the same recipe, the method, like how she cooks, still we don't get the same taste. The love, the care, the affection she puts while cooking is something really different. Word ma, mom, mama, umma is full of emotions, and maa ka hath ka khana, the sentence itself is very emotional. So guys, let's enjoy the process and do make dua for all the moms. Do respect your parents, do respect your mom, appreciate what they do for you, love them and keep them happy always. Hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Do remember my family in your duas. Until next time, bye.